guys, it's me, Batty. How awesome is that? I'm here today in the park, which is, yeah, it's the park. It's just the park. Look, it's the park. See this? Hey, this is Micha. Say hi, Micha.
Hi.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you, Uni.
Yes, so today, what are we talking about today?
Batty's gonna dance. I'm gonna record her because I recorded her last 2 dance videos.
Yes, she's really good at it. But when I'm at college, I don't know who's going to record me. I think Apashi's going to record me then, if he's not dancing with me.
Yeah.
But, anyway, so today, oh look, there's a guy in the distance. What is that guy doing?
The guy's a girl.
Oh, it's a girl.
Okay, so she's gonna be dancing to what? You're gonna be dancing to 2NE1's I'm the Best.
Yes, Ugly.
Ugly by 2NE1. Awesome.
Maybe if I have enough energy.
What else are you dancing to?
Oh crap, Genie, if I remember all of
Genie
it.
by who's it?
SNSD.
SNSD, yeah. So it's gonna be awesome because I'm gonna record it and she's gonna dance awesome like her Bubble Pop and Abracadabra videos.
Which have a lot of reviews. Thank you guys. We love you. Like seriously, I love you guys.
All right, so I'm gonna take the camera. All right, so you ready for this? She loves you. All right, bye.